大家好，我是 Ava 老师，欢迎来到我的中文空间。Hello everybody, my name is Ava and welcome to my Chinese zone. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about colors. 颜色 It's right up here. 颜色 This is 拼音. 拼音 is spell sound. It helps you to know how to pronounce the Chinese character. And this is the Chinese characters. 颜色. Okay, before we start, I want you guys to pay attention to the Chinese characters in this lesson. We are going to spend a lot of time to explain the Chinese characters, so that will help you to recognize the Chinese character. And I think it's very important to recognize the Chinese character at the beginning. Just because the reason one is when you go to China, there's no pinyin anywhere. It's just the Chinese characters. A second one, if you want to go higher Chinese level, and you have to recognize it anyway. So since you already spent time doing it, just spend a little bit extra time and to recognize the Chinese character. And the Chinese character actually is related to each other. The more you know, and it's easier to get. Alright, let's get started. Today we are going to learn 7 colors. The first one is red. It's right over here, and we say 红色. Let me get my pen. 喝红12色红色. Okay, as I said, we have to recognize the Chinese character, but one thing is easier. 色. All the colors all ends with 色. So here is 红色. The other color is a different one in the front. So it's just the first character is different. So, but it's always ends 色. That's the easy part. Okay. And to help you guys recognize the Chinese character, and we have 红 right here. 红, you can see the left side of here, we call it a silk radical. So we have a lot of radicals in Chinese. It's come from this, which means silk. It's 丝. And here I give you a silkworm picture. You can tell why we write this way. This is kind of like a silk thread and attached together. So we make a lot of silk. Silk is famous in China. Yeah. So that makes sense. And 红色 and the red is kind of Chinese color. So we have 红色. So left side you know it, and the right side is very easy. Look like I am Ava, right? So that's easy. So you can think anything to help you to recognize the Chinese character. If it look like a picture to you, or it look like something, you can separate the different parts or look like maybe a person to you. That's fine too, as long as it helps to remember it. Okay, so here we have 红色. 好，跟我说，跟我说 it means repeat after me. 跟 means follow, 我 means I, 说 means to speak. 跟我说 repeat after me. 红色，红色. Excellent. Let's move on to next color. And we have yellow, 黄色. 喝乌昂黄12色. I think I need to change to another color. Yes, I do. So 喝乌昂黄12色, 黄色. As I said, all the color ends with 色. So the only thing we are looking for is 黄. I don't know, 黄 is a little bit complicated to me. I don't see anything. Maybe it look like a person, and or maybe it look like, I don't know. Doesn't look like anything to me. Since I already know the Chinese character, it's difficult for me to think something, but I think very much look like a bumblebee this way. That's why I put a bee here, and look, they're trying to draw bumblebees have a lot of different stripes. So this is the body, and attached to the head, and 2 legs. So that's how I think. That's what the mostly look like to me, but you can think anything else. Okay, it helps you to remember it. Okay, everybody, 跟我说. 跟我说 it means repeat after me. Excellent. 好，跟我说黄色， 黄色。Okay, let's move on to next one. Oh, my favorite color is blue. 蓝色，蓝色，蓝色。So it stays the same. Only thing is the 蓝. Okay, I have to show you this one. If you know, in Chinese we say basketball is 篮球, and also 篮字, they are share the same characters, which is this one. So you can tell this is very similar, only the top is different, right? Look, this one and this one. This one's have the bamboo head. We call it bamboo head radical. Just like, and I put a bamboo here, you can see they're trying to draw the bamboo. Just because the basket, right, is made of bamboo in China, right up here. Okay, and the basketball in China, we said, and we have a kind of the ancient China, they have a kind of sport. Actually, they just make the bamboo strips and then they wrap it around to a ball shape, and then they play with it like a basketball. So that's like an early version of the basketball. Yeah, so that's why they use the bamboo head for basketball. So you can tell this one, only the difference is the top, and the 蓝色, the blue, have the, we call it grass head. Okay, just because, why it's called grass head doesn't look like grass to you, right? Because the earlier version, the Chinese character are drawing pictures as the early version. So basically they drawing the pictures, but it takes too long to draw pictures, so they simplify it. So basically before they draw the grass like this, then they simplify like kind of like this. And that's a traditional Chinese, you still can see it. And then now we just simplify it, join them together as a grass head. And this makes sense because it looks like a grass roof to me. In the old Chinese, especially tropical, still have the grass type of, it's not a shingles, it's like a grass roof, right? So that's why I use it. And then we have a bamboo, and the bottom very much look like a prisoner. The people being inside and let me out, I want to see the blue sky. Okay, that makes sense, right? Okay, that's 蓝色。好，跟我说 ，repeat after me. 蓝色，蓝色。All right, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, that's a favorite color. It's 绿色，绿色啊，it's a different sound. it's like your mouth form like a fish mouth. 绿色，绿色。Okay, 绿色 very easy because we still have the silk part, and the right side, the top, I think the most part help you to remember is look like a E, but it's opposite. So you can imagine, except the bottom part is a little longer. If that helps to remember, because it doesn't look like anything. You can imagine it look like a tree. Okay. Alright, so that's the tree leaves, I guess. Yeah, so that's 绿色，绿色。好，跟我说，绿色，绿色。Excellent, 很好。Next one we have purple, 紫色, very beautiful. Purple, purple is a character, 紫色, it's very complicated look, but that's why I put a picture like this over here. It's exactly look like the picture. This is like the vine. We have all different shape of the vine and the flower hang over it, and sometimes they probably have a little fruit. I don't know. Just like, okay, I think it's very much look like yeah, a flower hang over your house or hang over your maybe fence. Very pretty. 紫色，好，跟我说紫色，紫色，很好。Next one we have white, 白色，白色。Oh, this is a very beautiful horse. Okay, this one is easy. It's like the color, a very easy, clean looking character. So, where is the 白色 come from? Okay, the bottom part of the 白色 actually means the sun. You can see the picture tell you as the early version of Chinese, they actually just draw a sun. Then they feel like, oh, that takes so long. Then they simplify it like this. They add a line. I guess that indicates the cloud, maybe. Then they just squared it up, make it even simple. Okay, then 白 just have a little hair on top. That's 白色。Okay, 跟我说白色。白色。Excellent. And the last one, this is the last one, is 黑色 black. 黑色 is hey is very easy to pronounce. It's like hey, but it's just first tone. 黑色 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 is very much look like this picture. Look at it. It's like a Halloween black ghost. So look at it. Look, 2 black eye. Ooh, 4 legs. Very easy to recognize. It's 黑色。好，跟我说黑色。黑色。Excellent. That's it. That's all the colors. Let's read all of them together. 红色。红色。黄色。黄色。蓝色。蓝色。绿色。绿色。紫色。紫色。白色。白色。黑色。黑色。All right, and next one we're going to do some exercise. 练习。All right, you guys have to match the Chinese characters to the colors. Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. Okay, if you need to pause, you can pause and match all the colors together. And we're gonna go to the next page is our answers. You can check if you get all of them right. Alright, that's all for today's class. 谢谢收看，下次再见。